దశాబ్దం పైనుంచి హీరోయిన్గానే నెట్టుకొస్తూ అందంగా బుట్టబొమ్మలాగా ఇండియన్ బాబీ డాల్ లాగా కనిపిస్తూ అందరినీ మెస్మరైజ్ చేస్తున్న మోస్ట్ బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ అండ్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ పిల్ల పిక్చర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ హీరోయిన్ ఇవాళ మనతో ఉన్నారు. సో కాజల్ విత్ కాజల్. హాయ్ కాజల్.
Hi Kajal.
హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
Good, how are you?
First of all, congratulations. Awe has won 2 national
Yes,
awards.
thank you so much.
How are you feeling?
Very proud as a team member for Awe. I think the entire team put in so much hard work. My makeup artist Vishal as well as the other makeup artists for the film have done a fabulous job. And Prashant, the director, has so nicely supervised all of this and was very clear about what he wanted. So it's a proud moment.
Yeah, so you already had plans to do a movie with Prashant and now he has also won National Film Awards. So is it confirmed that you are doing a movie with
No,
him? Producing
we
a
are
movie?
still, no, I'm not producing for sure. I'm definitely not producing, but we are in talks. So hopefully if everything works out, we will work again.
Yeah. కోమలి అండ్ రణరంగం రెండు సినిమాలు ఒకే రోజున రిలీజ్ అవుతున్నాయి. సో ఎంత ప్రెషర్ ఉంది?
I'm happy, I'm excited about it. Pressure ledu, but I'm looking forward to it. Both the films are very different. Oka film, Ranarangam, full action oriented, racy, thrilling type of a film undi. Komali is out and out comedy. So very wacko, crazy sort of a film. So it's nice.
సో పిల్ల పిక్చర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ సాంగ్ గురించి ఆన్ సోషల్ మీడియా ఎవ్రీబడి సేయింగ్ దట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అ పర్ఫెక్ట్ సాంగ్ ఫర్ కాజల్ అగర్వాల్. సో వాట్ డూ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సే అబౌట్ దట్? అండ్ మీకు మీరు ఒక జస్టిఫికేషన్ ఆర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఓకే, పిల్ల పిక్చర్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ సాంగ్ ఈజ్ ఫర్ మీ ఓన్లీ. సో వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సే?
Oh my God.
ఇన్ విచ్ సెన్స్ యు ఆర్ వెరీ వెరీ పర్ఫెక్ట్?
Well, first of all, a very big thank you to everyone who think that this song is appropriate for me. It feels very nice. Well, what I can say that this song is for me, in what sense it's for me? I think I'm perfectly balanced. I think I have a good balance of my work life and my personal life. And I also balance out things, my priorities very well.
You look so beautiful without makeup also.
Thank you.
And you have proved it with the photo shoot.
Thank
So
you.
what made you to do that photo shoot?
I just wanted to spread a message to everyone where I believe that makeup is not the end of the world, and it's not about the way you're dressed or the amount of makeup you have on your face to look pretty. It's about your personality. It's about your experiences and your journey through life and building your character on the way. So integrity and strength of character are far more important than superficial looks of hair and makeup.
So 100 days of challenge, fitness challenge. Why? You're always perfect. You're a vegan. I've been following you.
No, not anymore. I'm not vegan anymore.
Not anymore. Why?
Vegetarian, but not vegan.
Okay, okay. So why 100 days challenge of fitness?
Because I just want to take myself to the next level, and also I'm preparing for my next roles. For Indian 2, I have to be really strong, and I believe that fitness should be equated to strength and to stamina and to your immunity. So that's all that I'm working on.
So special art you're training on for
Kalaripayattu.
Kalaripayattu. So how is it going?
Very difficult. It's so difficult. If you start early in life, it's easier. But if you start as a full-fledged adult, it's really difficult. Your body does not mold that way, so you have to work harder.
Yeah. So more than a decade you are in this film industry. In 2007 you have started, and till date you have been doing as a main lead. But when compared to other heroines who have also come at that time 2007 లో అట్లా స్టార్ట్ చేసిన వాళ్ళతో కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్ సిస్టర్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఆర్ యూనో 2006 ఆర్ 2005 అట్లా ముందు నుంచి చూసుకుంటే అంటే అంత ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఉన్న క్యారెక్టర్స్ లైక్ యూ హ్యావ్ డన్ సీత అంత మెయిన్ లీడ్ ఉన్న క్యారెక్టర్స్ దే నాట్ డూయింగ్. సో యూ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ వెల్, ఐ వాంట్ టు సే. సో హౌ ఆర్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు మేనేజ్ అండ్ పుల్ ఇట్?
I don't think others are doing other character roles. Everyone is doing very well. And even my contemporaries who started at the same time as me, like Tamanna or maybe Samantha, are doing exceedingly well. So I don't agree with that point at all. And secondly, I feel that nowadays the industry has changed. Characters are being written for women, and everyone is smart enough to choose the right kind of scripts.
Coming to Ranarangam, you will be seen only after the interval. Second half lo kanipistaru ani there's a talk.
No, actually, the movie starts with me.
Oh.
Yeah, the movie begins with me, and the entire screenplay is between 1990 and 2019. But it's like episode wise. So I come and go throughout the film.
ఓకే. సో 2 లవ్ స్టోరీస్ ఉన్నాయి. కళ్యాణి ప్రియదర్శినితో ఒకటి, మీతో ఒకటి అని అనుకుంటున్నాం మేము. సో 2 లవ్ స్టోరీస్ ఎంత డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటాయి రెండు?
That you'll have to watch in the film. I won't be able to tell you about that. But like you said, you need to first of all see whether there is a love story or not.
సో రణరంగం మూవీ గురించి 3 ముక్కల్లో చెప్పాలంటే వాట్ యు వాంట్ టు సే?
Fabulous screenplay, very racy, keeping you on the edge of your seat, fast-paced film, fabulous action sequences, and beautiful locations.
Yeah. So Sudhir Verma is a very young and talented director. So what kind of uniqueness you have found in him?
I like his style. I like the fact that he makes films very slick, and very. It has a cool quotient to his films, so I like that about him. And I like the fact that he's very focused, and he tries very different sort of taking styles.
I also have a sister and my name is also Kajal, so I relate to you so much and I feel like awestruck whenever I see your pics with Ishan and Nisha.
Thank you. How
So,
sweet.
what
I
kind-
fully understand your bond with your sister.
Yeah. So Ishan, you treat him as your own son.
He is my son.
Yeah. So ఎప్పుడన్నా మీ సాంగ్స్ టీవీ పైన వచ్చినప్పుడు he recognizes or
We don't allow him to watch TV.
oh
He's not allowed. He's only 1.5 years old. He's not allowed to watch TV till he's 5.
oh my god.
Yeah.
So you were also raised like this?
No, I was allowed to watch TV. But there's a lot of science that proves that children who are exposed to television and the radiation of these lights, mobile phones, iPads, and TV, they do not focus on other things. They develop ADD, attention deficit disorders. There are chances of them developing ADD, and also they should be able to concentrate on different things, and they should learn to entertain themselves through other means rather than something like this.
Yeah. So you, of course, you treat him as your own son, but you never got a feeling that I should also have a child. I should also give birth to someone.
Right now with Ishan in my life, I don't have those feelings because he fulfills my motherly instincts massively. But of course, I do seek companionship and a settled family life.
When?
Soon enough. When I find the right person, there's no hurry.
Okay. So you are also a very, very active socialist or social activist. So you have been donating and taking care of tribal kids' education. So how hard it is and how do you manage with that?
It's not difficult at all, actually. There's a team who does things. All you need to do is have a compassionate heart and have empathy and want to help, have the desire to want to help people. That's all it takes. And donating a small amount from what you earn is the basic you can do for society.
Yeah.
And also right now I'm involved with Kaveri Calling, which is an initiative by Isha Foundation, because the river is drying up. And Kaveri River especially, and Tamil Nadu and Karnataka are facing maximum amount of problem.
Yeah.
And soon that's going to happen to all our other rivers. Narmada's already dried up. So we as a country need to focus on this issue right now, very urgently, because we won't have water to drink
Yeah.
in our lifetime.
Yeah.
So
And
all
next
sorts of-
generation to
forget next generation, we will not have water to drink in the next few years. So obviously, like, you don't want to reach that situation
Yeah.
where it's people killing each other for water.
Yeah.
You don't want to reach that situation. It's very scary.
Yeah.
So they have a program where they are collecting funds to build saplings, and then they will plant those saplings as trees along the river bank.
Oh.
And that will help the soil to percolate and collect more water
Correct.
when it rains.
Yeah.
Right now the water evaporates because there's nothing, and that's why the river dries up.
Yeah.
So this is very nicely done, and I feel all of us should contribute. It's nothing.
Yeah.
And I feel we need to do this for our own country.
Yeah.
For humanity in
Yeah.
total.
So I remember when I came across Sadhguru and I completely remember what exact words I first heard from him. So when did you have that chance and what was the exact words when you heard from Sadhguru? How did you come across Sadhguru?
Because of my mom, actually. And then for a very long time, I was traveling, and I did my inner engineering, but I couldn't do it with him physically. So I did it online, all alone, in some hotel in Serbia. But it was very impactful. I felt his grace, and I felt it to be very impactful in my life.
Okay.
And that's why now I'm helping them support the correct kind of causes for the country.
Which emotion, which negative emotion or?
I'm very sentimental. I need to become stronger. I'm very, like, I feel bad for people very easily, and I feel bad for situations very easily. I need to become stronger in my head, and especially with my loved ones. I'm very sentimental.
Okay. Indian 2 movie shooting have started. So have you interacted with Kamal Hassan?
I haven't started filming for them yet. I will start in November.
Okay. And Paris, there's controversy about the censorship. So do you think
There's no controversy. It's just that censor hasn't approved on certain scenes.
Yeah, there are.
But
cuts.
they've sent it to the revising committee.
So what do you think about these cuts and all, where Telugu have passed, Malayalam and Kannada have passed, only Tamil have not passed. So what do you think about it?
Well, I respect people's opinion, and I feel that if the censor board does not approve of it, it's fine. I respect their opinion, but it's actually it's very UA certified. There's nothing which is obnoxious because the film is such a clean film. There's nothing that is inappropriate for anyone. I feel people of all ages can watch this particular film.
Okay. So people who want to become actors, what do you want to say?
Be prepared to work very, very hard. It's not easy. It's extremely difficult. You need to be mentally ready for working in all weather conditions, working through health conditions, and you, like I said, you need to be ready to prioritize work over every other aspect of your life.
What is your basic funda of life? How to live a life?
Try to strike a balance between all things, between personal and private, personal and professional.
Okay. So finally, to our India Glitz viewers, what do you want to say?
My movie Ranarangam releases on the 15th of August, so please go watch it, only in theatres.
And a last question. What do you want to say to Kajals out there in the world?
Y'all are beautiful and y'all have a fabulous name.
Thank you so much.
See
It's
you.
wonderful talking to you.
You too. Take
All the
care.
very
Bye.
best. Bye.
Hi.
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 Hi, India Glitz viewers.
For all the latest movie reviews,
Interviews.
Latest updates. Subscribe.
Subscribe IG Telugu.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.
Please follow IG Telugu.
please subscribe to IG Telugu.